In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can pay your credit card bill with your Avian Rewards points. So within the RBC mobile app, you want to scroll down and here you'll see it says pay credit card with points. Now this only works for the Avian Visa card. So if I swipe left, you'll see that I have another MasterCard, but the option is not there. So you'll select pay credit card with points. At the first level, I can redeem 4,300 points. The next level is 8,600 points, right? So I'm not gonna redeem it yet. But if I wanted to do, I'll just select submit and it will go towards my credit card balance. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.